There we go. We're recording.
You're on.
Okay, so this is under the hall bath. The pipe is completely gone. You can see dirt pretty much all the way around as we bring it back towards the yard. Right here we're hitting the connection for, we believe, the commode in the hall bath. Here you see the root impaction that's made it through the lines. Fairly large root impaction on the top of the pipe. And we believe that this is where the kitchen sink originally tied in. We have another tie-in right there on the roof in your upper right hand side. Back into clay pipe. And then this is where the clean out ties in, where the PVC is. Now we're going to send it back up the line for the master bath. These are your clean out tie-ins on your left. As we push in and come to the end of the PVC, you can see where the clay starts. Push in approximately 2.5 to 3 feet, and we have a large amount of buildup on the bottom of the pipe into your deterioration. And as we enter under the house, you can see here that that pipe is completely gone. We're going to push through here. This is where it enters to under the house, and we have complete this is complete destruction of the pipe. All the way around is dirt where pipe used to be. We struggle to push through it. But as you can see in this picture here, the piping is completely deteriorated all the way around. And this is under the master bathroom. As we pull back out, you can see the deterioration of pipe all the way around 360 degrees. And the impaction of roots.